Our office offers several different options. We have Care Credit and Proceed Finance, which allows monthly payments through a financing company. I know it's a big cost for people every month, so it's a big deal to make sure it fits within your budget. Each dental case with implants is unique and different to each patient. So that's why we have different variations of financing programs for patients, because everybody needs a little bit of wiggle room for their financing and without going over their budget. Really, the quality of the implant and the dedication and the follow-up visits and making sure that the implant is stable and the patient is happy and the doctor is happy is really what's important. And so here at Amazing Smiles, we're very focused on your whole implant case. We want to make sure that you're happy from every step of the way. From financing to treatment planning, we just want to get you back and get you in and have a consultation and go from there and really treat you in each unique case as a special case. Here at Amazing Smiles, we really just want to make you happy.